for first grade. A fact family is a group of 3 numbers that are related. They are related because you can add or subtract 2 of the numbers to get the last number. These families can be arranged in 4 different math sentences, 2 for addition and 2 for subtraction. So the first fact family we have is using the numbers 5, 2, and 3. For the addition math sentences, the largest number always goes last, and it's what it equals. For subtraction, the largest number always goes first. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then switching the 2 and 3, 3 plus 2 also equals 5. And then using the same numbers for your subtraction sentences, using the largest number first, 5 minus 2 equals 3, and then 5 minus 3 also equals 2. Here's the fact family that we're going to do with you guys. We did the first one example, 4 plus 5 equals 9. So now what you do is you switch the numbers around. And do 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now for subtraction, the largest number goes first. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. And then for the final, 9 minus 4 equals 5. So for the next fact family, we're going to use 7, 3, and 4. At this time, we would have students come up to the board and write in the answers or drag the numbers. So for the addition sentences, have them drag 3 plus 4 equals 7. And for the next one, it would be 4 plus 3 equals 7. And then for subtraction, the largest number always goes first. So 7 minus, and you could choose either 3 or 4. So I'm going to choose 3 first. And then 7 minus 3 equals 4. And then for the last one, 7 minus, now you're going to use the other number that you did not use yet, minus 4 equals 7, equals 3. And here's another example of fact family using the numbers 13, 5, and 8. And again, we would have the students come up to the board and drag the numbers to the right boxes. 5 plus 8 equals 13. 8 plus 5 equals 13. And then for subtraction, 13 minus 8 equals 5. And then finally, 13 minus 5 equals 8. For this one, we would have the students do the same thing, volunteer and come up to the board, but for this one, we're going to use pictures instead of numbers. So it asks, the 3 numbers in this fact family are, so we have 2 pints of milk, 5 lions, and 7 dogs. So the students would write, for the 3 numbers in this fact family, 2, 5, and 7. This picture is a bit more challenging for the students because it doesn't give them a total number, but it's very similar to the last picture. We have 4 dots on one side of the die and 3 dots on the other. So our fact family would be 3 and 4 is 7. And the students would have to add the 2 numbers together to figure out what the 3rd number in the fact family was. So this one is the same as the previous one, also using pictures. So the students would come up and write 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seals, and 5 lions.
And this again would be a lot more like the before picture, but instead using a house, it's just written in lines. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. And again, we would have students come up to the board and fill these in. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And then for subtraction, 10 minus 2 equals 8. And then 10 minus 8 equals 2.
So we would reinforce throughout all of these that the students are using the same 3 numbers for all 4 math sentences. So this was our Smart Notebook lesson. We hope you enjoyed it.
Thanks for watching.